Imam Shadili, Qutb al-Aqtab, he said something interesting. The words that come from you, the words that you speak, they are covered, they are cloaked in a cover of Ikhlāṣ, of sincerity, that you speak with. And that is the effect it has on people. If your words are sincere, touches the heart, touches the heart. If not, just go to the one ear and out the other. Doesn't enter the heart. The words that you speak, it's covered with Ikhlāṣ, covered in that cloak. What is the nature of that Ikhlāṣ? What is the strength of that Ikhlāṣ? What is the purity of that Ikhlāṣ that you're speaking with? And so words then, with this total, complete, sincere Ikhlāṣ for Allah, affects the heart of people.